Okay, here I'm going to show you on what's going on. I got my daughter's phone, okay? So she's already downloaded Relifi. I've actually already signed up and everything, got the verification code, and now I'm getting the impossibility to activate it. So let's do this. There, hit it like that. Okay. I'm going to sign up. BI. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and go to the email.
Yes.
There's the verification code. I'm going to copy it. Okay. Now I'm going to go back in here to put in the verification code, and it goes away. When I try to go back in, it makes me start all over. So you can't put the verification code in, it won't let you, so therefore she cannot download the app.